DA got that dope.
That ain't the baby, that's my baby.
Her friends and her mom hate gold. Lay down on the bed, do the cry, baby. She ain't gave me none that pussy in a while. She had to put away now.
Open the garage together? Garage? How we gonna do that, bruh? Pockets ain't empty, cuz.
Let's get it crunk up on up, fun up in this dancery. We got y'all open, now you're floating, so you got to dance for me.
People say I'm way too full of myself. You're right, and I ain't even made it to dessert. Buffy no angel, star no spangle. 40-inch weave by killing don't tango. Call my drug dealer boyfriend on tango. Use the tahini when I'm eating a mango. Yeah.
Nice car.
Life
What's
is
the
the only
retail
thing
on one
they
of
need.
those? More than you
They
can
need
afford,
me to go,
pal.
but I don't want to leave. Rest in peace, man.
Smoke.
Fuck a pigeonhole, I'm a night owl, it's a different mode. I'ma have to make a paint of 6 on a pinky toe. Heard you with a shooting guard. Let a nigga know.
Rich nigga shit I do a lot of. Nigga, we be sipping out the bottle. I be fresh as hell, rockin' Prada. Hopping out the PJ with a model. Swimming in a baddie trying to drown.
I seen you checking her out, man.
Okay, it wasn't. Shut up. This is your car?
My car?
So remember me when I'm gone. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride. Let the light guide your way.
I'm just trying to get you out the friend zone, 'cause you look even better than the photos. I can't find your house, send me the info. Driving through the gated residential, found out I was coming, sent your friends home. Keep on trying to hide it, but your friends know. I only called you in.
So you used to be a cop.
Yeah. How long you been under?
I lost track.
You alright?
You might want to keep your eyes on the road, Playboy.
What, you think we're gonna crash?
I haven't decided yet.
What are you doing, Brian? He did the stare and drive on you, didn't he? He got that from me.